traveling, shopping online, or splitting a bill with friends. YouTrip makes foreign currency simple, and loading funds is even easier. Here is your quick guide on how to top up your YouTrip wallet directly from your phone. First, open the YouTrip app and tap the top up button on your home screen. You have a few fast and secure options. Option 1, Pay Now QR. If you prefer a direct bank transfer, choose Pay Now. The app will instantly generate a unique Pay Now QR code for your transfer. Log into your mobile banking app, select the QR scanner, and scan the code. Confirm the amount and the payee, which should be U Technologies Group, SG. Hit Send. The money is usually in your YouTrip wallet instantly. Option 2, Linked Bank Card. Select the credit/debit card option. You can use any Singapore-issued Visa or MasterCard debit or credit card. If it's your first time, you'll need to securely link your card details and complete a one-time verification with your bank. For future top-ups, simply enter the amount and slide to confirm the transfer. Remember, a small service fee may apply to Visa credit card top-ups. Option 3, Apple Pay. If you use an iPhone and have your card set up with Apple Pay, you can select it as a top-up method for even quicker transfers. Once your top-up is complete, you will see your new Singapore dollar balance immediately. Now you are all set to spend with the best rates across the globe. For more tips on exchanging currency in the app or checking out YouTrip's overseas transfer service, be sure to check out our other videos. Safe travels!